Have you ever considered how your time management, or lack thereof, might be affecting your overall life satisfaction? Today we're going to delve into this often overlooked aspect of our daily lives and the potential impact it can have on our overall happiness and success. A staggering 80 to 90% of us are habitual procrastinators, leaving our dreams unfulfilled and our potentials untapped. This lack of time management often leads to dissatisfaction, frustration, and stress. But what if there was a way to change this? It starts with understanding that time is not just money, it's also our life's canvas. We have the power to design our lives, to live a high-purpose worth living, HPWL life. This means revisiting those childhood dreams and passions, those alternate careers that got lost in the busyness of life. With a vision board, you can keep your dreams within sight and mind, turning them into smart, specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound goals. These goals can then be broken down into manageable tasks, which can be scheduled into your daily to-do lists. This is where the Design Your Life, DYL Life Dashboard comes into play, helping you focus on those areas of your life that have been left ignored or unattended. But how exactly can you start implementing this in your life? First, prepare a self-help file journal. Download and add a time management cheat sheet to this journal. Evaluate and fill your life dashboard. Write your 10 life goals, focusing on each ignored area of life, and prioritize these goals. Then, take one goal from each area and convert them into SMART goals. Break these long-term goals into smaller, short-term goals and assign them a time duration. Define tasks or activities for each goal and estimate the duration to complete each one. Schedule each activity or task in your calendar or to-do list. Every morning, go through your self-help file and recite your mantra from your Mindset Transformation, YMT Spiritual Strategies. Stay motivated and focused on your high-purpose tasks using the 1, 2, 3 rule of time management. So, what are the benefits of good time management? Studies show that effective time management practices can save up to 20% of work time, improving productivity. College students who use effective time management strategies have a 2.46 higher GPA than those who do not. People who actively practice time management skills are 57% more likely to complete tasks on time. Moreover, it reduces stress, allows you to accomplish more with less effort, leads to less rework, and helps in achieving big goals through small steps. It improves decision-making, eliminates wasted time, boosts your reputation, and even gives you more free time. In conclusion, mastering the art of time management can bring a dramatic change in your life. It has the potential to turn your dreams into reality and create a life that is not only productive, but also fulfilling and happy. So why not start today?